Specs. Starter relay, voltage, 12, brief, Kawasaki PWC. Replaces OEM numbers, Arrowhead, SMU6016, JN, 240-54019, Kawasaki, 27010-3714, 27010-3724, 27010-3760. Compatible with, replacement for, Kawasaki JB650 Jetmate 1989-1992, JF650TS 1989-1996, JF650X2, 1992, 1995, JH750, 750, S, S1992, 1997, JH750 Supersport 11 1993-1997, JH750 She Sport 1998-1999, JH750 XR 1994-1994, JL650 South Carolina 1991-1995, JS 550550SX 1992-1995, JS 650, S, X 1992-1993, JS 750750 SX 1992-1995, JS 750750 SXI 1995-1997, JS 750750 SXE Pro 1998-2002, JS 800 SXR 2003-2012, JT 1100 ST, X 1999 JT 750 ST, X 1998 JT 750 Street 1994-1995, JT 750 STS 1995-1997. 1-year warranty protects you after your purchase. We're confident that our products will work flawlessly once installed in your vehicle. But in a rare case that it does not, we'll replace it anytime within 1 year of your order. If you have a problem, we will take every step to assist you. Contact us for a replacement. 100% new aftermarket starter relay built to meet OEM specifications. Top reviews from the United States. Great. Perfect replacement. Has lasted the summer so far.